In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut audio in Adobe After Effects, and we're aiming to get this done in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a big project or just getting started, knowing how to manage your audio effectively is crucial, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your After Effects project. Make sure that everything's set up and ready to go before we start, as this will make the process smoother and more efficient. Once you're set, let's get into importing your audio. Head over to the top menu, click on File, then go to Import, where you'll select the audio file you want to work with. Choosing your file now makes it easy to access and manipulate directly on the canvas. Now that your audio is imported, you'll find it in your project panel. Drag this audio file straight into your composition timeline. This way it becomes part of the visual and audio mix you're creating. The timeline is your playground here. It's where you can make detailed edits to your audio. With your audio in place, the next step is to find the point you want to cut. Use the current time indicator, or CTI, which you can also think of as your time ruler on the timeline. Move it to the exact frame where you wish to make the cut. Precision is key here, so take your time to position the CTI exactly where you want the split to occur. Once you're satisfied with where the CTI is, you'll need to select the audio layer that you just dragged into the timeline. Click on the audio layer to ensure it's active and highlighted. This is an important step because the next action directly affects the selected layer. Now, with the audio layer selected and the CTI in position, press Ctrl+Shift+D. This keyboard shortcut is your tool to split the audio at the CTI. Essentially, it cuts your single audio layer into 2 separate sections right at that point. It's a simple but powerful trick that can save you a lot of editing time. After splitting the audio, you're set to either delete or move these segments as needed. If there's a portion you don't need, simply select that segment and hit delete on your keyboard. If you need the segment elsewhere, click and drag it to your desired spot in the timeline. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to cut audio within Adobe After Effects. Remember, audio editing is an essential part of making your video projects more captivating and polished. Experiment with these steps to see how different cuts can affect your final project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more quick tips on mastering your editing software.